Hello and welcome to another update video about IMX. So on this IMX chart here, we have a potential 5-wave move up. I disregard this particular wick here because I do not see it on other charts, but it has become a potential 5-wave move to the upside, as channel members already knew a few days ago, a week ago, when we were able to count 5 waves up, and then this 3-wave pullback was planned for. Now, the signal that the 3-wave pullback would start was here the break of the trend line that occurred here on the 4th of July. Since then, we've been coming back in what I consider an A wave. I've got 5 waves down now in wave A of wave 2, and price is coming back into this support region. We now see a little bit of a bounce as Bitcoin seems to be waking up, which is nice. So maybe the altcoins are starting to wake up as well a little bit. I mean, it's good after this boring movement. Bear in mind, in a couple of days, we've got CPI data, so we might see a little bit of stuff being priced in. So we might see a little bit of volatility. People get super excited already. It's funny to see how people get very excited when Bitcoin moves like $200, and that is just, I mean, it's understandable because it's so boring. Price has been so boring, price action. So yeah, but anyway, this is IMX. So also here, price came down, reached sort of the ideal target area for an A wave, typically the 38.2 fib level to the 50%. For an A wave, if it gets any lower than that, I would get some concerns. But for now, this can be a B wave bounce now, with one more low in wave C ideally to come. Okay, so if we look at this structure here and we say, okay, we came down A wave, resistance for the B wave, what is that? That is currently between 73.7 cents and 77.3. So this is the ideal, well, you could say target, but B waves can be difficult in terms of targets, but certainly the standard Fibonacci resistance, especially if the A wave is a 5-wave move. So we could get a bounce in B now, then a reaction to the C wave to the downside. Yeah. So it is 5 waves down, so it could be something more bearish. I have to say that very clearly. But as long as it's holding the 59.8 cent level, so let's call it 59 cents, it has a chance to rally in a 3rd wave later. So what we currently see is a little bit of upside, and I think it is the B wave because it's not really corrective enough for me to call it a wave 2 complete. Okay, so let's see how high we go in the B wave. Again, ideally to 73.8 cents or 75.2 or 77.2. It's just that if we break above 77.2, it could be something more bullish. It could be that wave 2 indeed already bottomed. However, I don't find it too likely now because it's not a clear 3-wave structure to the downside. I would, however, have to assume that if price really breaks and sustains above that 78.6 retracement, because it would be a stronger move than it would be ideal for such a B wave. Yeah? And then if it then breaks above the wave 1 high, I mean, then we have a breakout in the 3rd wave basically confirmed at 79.8 cents. I think these are the short-term parameters which are really relevant. In terms of support, by the way, we've got here 67 cents, 64, and the most important one here around 59. And below 59, again, it will be very likely that this 1-2 setup is failing and we have something more bearish going on. And what else is there to say? Well, again, we can't really trust it because it's only a diagonal to the upside. They are difficult patterns. They are very difficult patterns to deal with. They're not impulses, so they are more difficult to count. They are more difficult to establish targets. Now it clearly seems to be over, so hopefully we start to see some impulses to develop to the upside soon. What I now expect is that this is a corrective move up, would also be in 3 waves because a B wave consists of 3 waves. Yeah, that's my update about IMX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.